We went walking through the trees, listening to birds in the breeze, watching nature all around. So many wonders to be found. Insects hiding in the leaves, blending in so cleverly, camouflaging eye spots bright. Some come out at night. Every plant and every tree has a role in harmony. Nature works so perfectly, it's one big family. At Little Orange Creek we see how life connects in unity. From the sun to plants to animals too, energy flows from me to you. Producers, consumers, predators prey. Everybody plays a part each day. Protect the land, protect the street. We're part of nature's team. Wetlands help the water flow, filtering it down below, keeping drinking water clean, healthiest we've ever seen. When the drought dried up the creek, we saw how nature can be weak. Water matters, that is true. It supports both me and you. Every habitat we find shows how life is intertwined. One small change can shift the way the ecosystem plays. At Little Orange Creek we see how life connects in unity. From the sun to plants to animals,